こんにちは。Let's learn time expression and to go, come, and return. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to talk when you go somewhere. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. You learn the essential expressions, practice speaking, and summarize the grammar points. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. Today, you learn non-specific time expressions in the introduction and practice. In the last lesson, you learned ikimasu, kimasu, and kaerimasu. The basic structure is X は destination に行きます and you can add time here. First, let's revise. Onsen hot springs. How do you say you go to the hot springs? Yes. 温泉に行きます。Now you want to add today, 今日. You say 今日温泉に行きます。Repeat after me. 今日温泉に行きます。今日温泉に行きます。Good. Okay, let's learn non-specific time expressions. Tomorrow, 明日weekend, 週末 this week, 今週 next year, 来年 repeat after me 明日、週末、今週、来年 very good. Now you can say you will go to the cafe tomorrow. Cafe, try. Yes, 明日カフェに行きます。Well done! Next, let's use 来ます with the time expressions. On weekend, your friend comes to your home. Try. Yes, 友達は週末うちに来ます。This week, Arai sensei will come here. Try. Yes, Arai senseiは今週ここに来ます。Okay, let's practice with 帰ります to go back home. For example, a Londoner says, Yes, 今日ロンドンに帰ります。Next, 新井先生は Try. Yes, 新井先生は来年日本に帰ります。Now you can also ask, Will you go to the supermarket tomorrow? Super. Try. Yes. X さんは明日スーパーに行きますか If yes, はい、行きます。No? いいえ、行きません。Good memory from lesson 1. Let's move on to question. When? The structure is X はいつ destination に行きますか Now listen to my question. 公園 is park. いつ公園に行きますかいつ公園に行きますか Let's say weekend. So, yes, 週末行きます。Now your turn. Ask me when I'll go back to Japan. Yes, 新井先生はいつ日本に帰りますか Well done! You can omit 新井先生は when you are talking to me, okay? 来年 So I answer 来年帰ります Now let's summarize the lesson. What did you learn today? Yes, いつ destination に行きますか来ますか帰りますかAnd non-specific time expressions 今日、明日、週末 and 来年 Well done! Now, do you want to be a better Japanese speaker? Learning Japanese is like learning piano and tennis. The next step is lots of practice. Practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can try free 31 video lessons and 10 quizzes. In Lesson 3, let's use it with Monday to Sunday. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.